In the heart of Sri Lanka lies a masterpiece of ancient engineering, art, and power. Welcome to Sigiriya, also known as the Lion Rock. Rising nearly 200 meters above the surrounding plains, Sigiriya is more than just a rock. It's a story carved in stone. Built in the 5th century by King Kashyapa I, this fortress was once a royal palace surrounded by beautifully designed gardens. These are among the oldest landscaped gardens in the world. As you climb higher, you'll discover the famous Sigiriya frescoes, paintings that have survived over 1,500 years, still glowing with color and mystery. Beside them lies the mirror wall. Once polished so perfectly that the king could see his reflection, today it holds ancient poetry written by visitors centuries ago. Halfway up, you'll pass through the giant lion's paws, the entrance to what was once a massive lion-shaped gateway. This is how Sigiriya earned its name, Lion Rock. The climb may be challenging, but every step takes you closer to one of the most breathtaking views in Sri Lanka. At the summit, you're rewarded with the ruins of the ancient palace and a 360-degree view that stretches across jungles and lakes. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Sigiriya stands today as a symbol of Sri Lanka's rich history and ingenuity. Whether you're a traveler, a history lover, or an adventurer, Sigiriya is not just a destination, it's an experience you'll never forget. Discover more amazing places like this with SLCamp. Download now and explore Sri Lanka like never before.